Hey guys, this is Subhash S. Mishra, your test coach. Today's topic is a bit different. It is not very much relevant to the software testing professionals with more experience, but a few of our students who are freshers and giving interviews, they are facing written test and aptitude exams. So, with the request, I thought of sharing my quick math tricks which may help them to answer more in a short time. I'll create a separate playlist for this kind of video and I'll try to share my knowledge. So let's start. So today we will learn some multiplication tricks. So here you can see few multiplications I have written, right? We have to do all these multiplications. So think once how much time you will take to finish all these multiplications. So if you will do in a normal way multiplication of all these numbers, I am sure you will take minimum 3 to 4 minutes, right? If you have any quick tricks, then definitely you will able to finish it in 10 seconds. That's what I am going to show you now, right? So let's see. Let me give the answers first, then I will explain how to do it. Okay. 621, here it will be 16, 12, 16, 20, then it will be 25, 30, 24, 42, 21, 56. So how much time I took? I am able to do it, right? So how I did it? That's important. So let's understand how we can do this. Before to that, you need to understand one more thing. All this formula, before applying all this formula, right, you need to understand what is the condition when you can apply this formula. So that is important. So what is the condition here? So if we'll see all the numbers, right, all the numbers are two digit numbers and first digit are same. Here it is 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 7 7, 6 6, 5 5. So that is first condition. It is two digit numbers and all the first digit are same. First digit and second digit are same. Sorry, first digit of first number and first digit of second number are same. And what is the second condition? The second digit of first number and second digit of second number. Okay. If you will add them, right, you will get the result of 10. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Similarly, here it is 2 and 8. 2 plus 8 equal to 10. Here 8 into 2 are 10. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So the second digit, if you will add second digit of both the numbers, it should be 10 and first digit of both the numbers should be equal. Then only we can apply the formula. So what is the formula then? How we are calculating this or how we are doing these multiplications? What is the tricks we are applying? So here you see second number and 7 and 3 we are multiplying. What we got? 21. Then 2 plus 1, the first digit plus 1, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3 into 2 6, we got 621. Again I am repeating 7 into 3, both the second digits we are multiplying. 7 into 3 we got 21. Then first digit of second number plus 1, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3 into 2 6. Similarly here 8 into 2 16, 3 plus 1 4 into 3 12. Then what we got here? 2 into 8 16, then 4 plus 1 5 into 4 20. Here also 5 into 5 25, then 5 plus 1 6 into 5 30, right? Similarly here 4 into 6 24, then 6 plus 1 7 into 6 42. Then 3 into 7, 21. Then 7 plus 1, 8 into 7, 56. So this is how we can calculate, right? So if you know any other tricks, let me know in the comment section. So I hope you will able to do all the multiplications like this, but condition apply. And if the condition is matching, then you apply this multiplication tricks. You will able to do it in a very small time. So hope this will help you in your aptitude exams. Thank you. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.